Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have a little helper here today. Say hi, Axel.
Hi, my name is Axel.
Okay,
Welcome to this video by leighbradsh.
by Leigh Bradshaw. Not John. That's Pawpaw's name. Okay, so we are gonna do a walkthrough with Wildflower's Meadow mini album. I didn't even look at this because I did my own.
From Ada Griffin.
From Ada Griffin. And here's all the extra stuff. Look at all the extras that we could still add on. I forgot I had these, so I may have to go back and add some. And all the cards, and there's still a lot of goodies. So now let's go through it. So who is this?
Adelaide.
Adelaide. And the next picture?
Me and my mom.
Yes, and then these are the layouts
Me and Adelaide pulling a channel.
Pulling a truck. Okay, let me fix this. I see that it needs to be down.
Not a truck. It's my car photo. Photo of my cars.
Oh, okay. So this is the first page that I made a tutorial. And if you go back, you will see 12 different daily tutorials how to make this. Here's the third page. Cora Ann and Adelaide with her new little baby sister. But Cora is now what, 7 months old or 8 months old? Here's the next page layout. I haven't changed anything, and I'll tell you when I had to change something up. This page I had.
Mimi,
yes.
I wanted to see one part.
I am.
Mimi, is that me climbing up a tree?
That's you in a slide.
Oh.
So this I did change. I had these going the other direction, and most pictures are all not landscape but portrait, so I had to change these to go the other direction. But other than that, it's the same layout, so I wanted to show that. So the next page is this, and I had to pick pictures that were going this way, landscape. And let me tell you guys, 99% of the time I make a video, or I make an album, excuse me, and I pick the pictures first. Boy, was it hard. Next time, pick your pictures first. Pick your pictures first. Here's the next page.
That's on Halloween.
And this was going the other direction, like this one, and I changed it.
That was the first picture of Halloween.
That was the first picture. So I changed it. It was going this direction, and I put it that direction. That is you this year in school.
Yes, it was.
And then here it is where Sweet, and that's Cora and Adelaide and my son and Aunt Amanda. These pictures are beautiful. These pictures were going the other direction, and we had to switch the pictures to go the other direction.
That's my mom's picture.
So these were going the other direction. They were going the other direction, and we changed it. And this was cropped out of the same dies that match this set. All the information and everything I used is back in the other videos. Here's the next one. This was so simple and easy. Here's the next one. All the tutorials on how to make these. I cut the pictures down to 3 by 3. I could have went even a little smaller, but I didn't want to. So I did take a little more space on the frames here. These two pictures I cut right in half, and you can see her hand here, and you can see this is Easter. But if you didn't know it, it looks like two different pictures on each, but they're actually cut in half. And then there's the back page. So that is my walkthrough of the finished product of making this series and everything. I hope you like it. Have a blessed day, everybody.
You too. Everybody at Mima is going to have like this.
We're going to give this to Mima for her birthday.
Yeah.
So we can't
And
even
we
put this
don't-
video up until her birthday, so it's going to sit waiting.
And we.com.
At Leigh.com? No, it's Victorian.
The first thing the first day you start doing that.
Oh, okay.
The
Alrighty,
last day,
everybody.
the
This
first
is
day.
me, and I'm going to get off here, and all my links are down below. Have a blessed day.